This is Xreal Beam Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix overheating issues on this device. So at the start, let me share a quick advice on how to prevent overheating. The advice is that you do not, or you should rather avoid leaving your smartphone outside or outdoors under the effect of direct sunlight or sun rays for extended periods of time. Because if it will stay under the direct sun, if it will not be laying around somewhere in the shadow and be directly affected by the sun, it will overheat pretty quickly. And once the overheating already occurred and you would like to fix that and, well, just generally help your phone to cool itself down, I recommend that you begin by launching settings, then enter the battery category and switch on the battery saver. Then on top of that, you can also enter the display category of settings and decrease the brightness level. Then on top of that, you can also reduce the screen timeout delay to, 15-30 seconds, so your display will not stay awake for longer than it should, or than it have to rather. And well, that will be more or less it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.